Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to run command line script using our karate framework suite. Okay, here we can able to run why we require first basically command line before going to remaining information, and the question is why it is required for command line execution. There are two things. One is while it will reduce the time to opening your IDE and going to the particular test case and executing. This is a one pattern. Second one is while you are communicating with the Jenkins and your project is going to onboarding into a Jenkins, there it should be a run, right? And we need to specify some command line whether it is the particular project is working, it is able to build or not. Those things we need to do it. For that we have to do for command line execution. For that also we required for to execute for command line. Okay, these two options we required for to do for command line execution for our projects. If you are using Maven, then you can able to use mvn test, or else you can able to use mvn clean test or build a test, anything you can able to. Moreover, we can able to use mvn test. Why mvn test or gradle test is required? See, thing is, whenever you running for anything from command line, basically Java and Maven project, it will by default it will supports to execute any command. If you are using Maven test means that particular project having a minimum of requirement is there. Minimum requirement is means the test or run test or test run, like that the combination will be presented. Okay, and it will select first see that whether the particular naming convention it is presented or not into your project. Test, test run or run test, anything is okay. Example is test run or run test. Like this it will search first, and based upon that if there is any presented, then it will execute, otherwise it will show as a zero execution. Okay, the same format for Gradle project also, it will search for test related and run related things, and it will execute for that. In case if you want to run a specific test case to execute and you are not specified for run test or test run, anything you are not specified but you want to execute that particular class, then we can able to use this star symbol for Gradle. In this Gradle, what will happen? Gradle w test test star run class. Then it will search for that entire project. There is a run class is presented or not. In case run class is presented, then it will go on. It will run for the particular test case. If you are using for Maven, then what will happen? mvn test -d test. D is a capital letter. Okay, remember that. -d test equal cats runner or runner class you can able to specify. You can able to specify like this. Okay, and there is an option for karate.options. Okay, when you want to run tag base and class name, and if you want to specify the skip something, then you can able to use it. Or else if you are run DemoTestParallel execution, means there is a class it is presented DemoTestParallel, then you want to execute that particular one, then you can able to specify. And also that particular future file also we can able to, means if you want to skip this particular scenario or future file, then you can able to make it for like that, and also you can able to declare for like this. till operation and at the rate operation. Till operation means ignoring. Okay, if you are not define the till operation, only at the rate operation, then it will say that this particular tag we need to execute like that. Okay, if you are using till means this particular tag should be uh, exclude and don't execute for that particular tag. In case if you want to execute multiple feature file also, or else multiple scenarios, or else particular scenario, any kind of thing, and you want to execute a particular feature file, and inside the feature file particular scenario you want to execute, then we can able to declare like mvn test. If it is gradle means gradle w test hyphen test, and double quotation inside that hyphen d karate.options equal to path of the future file and slash that particular feature file and colon and specify the which number for that particular future scenario to execute. Only for that particular scenario only it will execute. Then define that hyphen d test equal to that particular future file name. Means that class which one we are going to execute it, that particular one we can able to specify like this. In now we are going to see our Gradle project. My Gradle project is located into here. See the Gradle automation and utilities, and here I'm going to choose for command. Okay, command line, I'm just opening for command line, and here I have for suit execution. This is a suit execution, suit runner class. Okay, suit runner class is there and run class is there. Any one I can able to execute from command line. Okay, I'm going to copy pasting for this particular one. Pasting. Okay, here what will happen? Runner class I use for only one particular condition one need to execute. Okay, and if I'm hitting, if you are doing for first time, okay, because my project is Gradle, that's why I use for Gradle W. And in case if you are using Maven, then you need to use MVN. And if you are doing first time, then it will do for building that entire project. Then you download some dependency, then it will start. My case is already I used, that's why it will execute, but it will take some time. Now everything settings and root project it is searching, everything fine. Then you can able to see here the naming convention also colon test zero test methods are presented, but we are executing for com.demo.features.runner class. That success is happened. Then you can able to see there is a link for our output also, and you can able to copy that link and go to your project location and paste and run. Now see, our feature is presented here, and it is provided for tags, and we can able to see everything whether it is working as expected or not. Okay, this is the way we can able to run, and also we can able to see there are couple of things also, and we can able to click this one command line, and here also you can able to see for same description what are the things I specified here, right? Almost everything you can able to see for all the command lines also it is provided. Okay, based upon that you can execute for remaining things like executing the particular scenario, and you can able to execute for suit of the things, and you can able to exclude. And this hyphen d karate.options is there, right? And for that you have to do only one thing extra, that is called uh, build at Gradle location. In the build at Gradle location, this source is mandatory and this test is mandatory. These two things are mandatory. And here there is a option dot karate.options. Right here, this is the options we are using here. -d karate.options and -hyphen tag. This is the one we are specifying here in the property in that Gradle build one. Okay, and here based upon the value and what exactly we are passing, this we exactly it will communicate with into our project into your local. Okay, this is a simple example to how to run command line execution, and also you can able to run for suit run. Okay, anything you can able to do it, and you can able to get for one single report into one time, or a single feature file if you want, then you can able to run that also. Or else if you run only for single scenario, that also you can able to using for our command line. This is the way we can able to reduce to time period to opening id and selecting that feature file, and we need to run it like that. There is a process will be there, right? It will reduce that effectiveness. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my youtube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.